Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to choose a custom setting for the home button in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. At the top right, click on the More icon. Look for the 3 dots or vertical ellipsis icon located at the top right corner of the Chrome window and click on it. Step 3. Select Settings. From the drop-down menu, choose the Settings option. Step 4. Open the Appearance section. In the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Appearance section and click on it. Step 5. Under Show Home button, select Enter Custom Web Address. Within the Appearance section, you'll find an option to choose how the home button behaves. Click on the radio button or checkbox next to Enter Custom Web Address to select it. By following these simple steps, you can customize the home button in Chrome to open a specific web address of your choice. This can be useful if you have a preferred homepage or frequently visit a particular website. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.